If you clicked on the title of this video, you're looking for exactly that. And you know what? In the holiday spirit, no fluff. Let's just enjoy the fact that all of the cars in the shop that are rotary run. And even the piston ones run, technically. But it's time to fire up all 4 of these and hear 3 plus 4 plus 2 and 2 all at once. We'll make sure it sounds amazing, especially these front 2 fired up and running. We've never had them running at the same time just because we've always stole parts off of this one to that one. The way the audio works, you're not gonna be able to hear this car by the time we fire up probably the 4 rotor. So we're gonna fire this up and just think about relatively, like this is still loud-ish. So let's hear what it sounds like in comparison to those. Just a little baby. It's like a really weird 4 days of New Year's. My true love gave to me a quiet sea.
That's beautiful. Thank you. I make a track.
I ain't a rapper though.
That's hard.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I can't hear the other 2. It doesn't sound as bad as I thought it was going to sound, but there might be weird frequencies. Wonder what it sounds like to hear a 3 rotor and a 4 rotor in a rev battle? We're about to find out. Did he even rev? Yeah, he did. I couldn't hear it. It wasn't even on. Yeah. You can't even hear this one next to this one. No. Back to where we came from. Oh, that is such a weird, cool moment that all the cars are running. We didn't steal parts off of each of them. That was a promise I made to myself for 22, 23 was, hey, all the cars have their own stuff. And it sounds amazing. A couple major things. This is kind of a real quick update for those of you guys that watched the video to the end. Those of you wondering what each of these cars are at this point, this is a side port, so street ported 4 rotor, a massive G55 106mm turbo. It's 5-inch exhaust out of that turbo, no muffling or anything. The 3 rotor is a semi-peripheral 3 rotor with a G42 1450, 79mm turbo. 3 resonators, 1 muffler. Yeah, so if anything, it's slightly over resonated in a good way. I mean, it's got that nice ooh, but that brapping is coming from the semi-P. This is also semi-P behind it, so I keep forgetting that. Like I'm like, oh yeah, it's got a G35 1050, but I forget. Oh yeah, it's ported. These 2 are almost identical cars in many ways. Like this is, to me, it's 50% more of that turbo size and engine size, and porting everything else the same. This little guy, on the other hand, is a Series 5 motor, so it's a Turbo 2 Series 5 motor, and it's got a G4900, which actually would kick some serious ass on all these cars on the street, but stock intercooler. And it also has some beautiful resonation, but then at the very end I had to use the existing Apexi N1 dual exhaust, so it's got kind of fart cannon-y noise. All the different turbos doing all of what they do, appropriately sized for their application in these cars. We have, coming up for 2023, some absolutely insane things with all of them. Some TV show stuff, maybe Pikes Peak, whatnot. We're gonna make some videos about all of that in its completion, but it's all happening. So I appreciate, at least at this point, over 10 years of you guys hanging out with me and us and all of our adventures. Here's to at least another 1 year more.